All right, guys, welcome to video number 7. Welcome to the Tutor Learning Center. This is JD Tutor, and I'm here to teach you about not the order of operations. That was last video. Introduction to equations. Let's see. Actually, this isn't the order of operations, so I don't know why that's on there. All right. All right, so we're going to do introduction to equations. All right, so please review and follow this example, then solve the equation. So obviously we have blank minus 2 equals 4. What is the missing number? And of course, we're going to say 6. Isn't that right? So, but what we'll do is anytime we don't know what the number is, as you know in our last video, we're going to put a variable in there. So supposedly right now, we don't know what the number is. So we're going to put a variable, and a variable can be any number chosen. A lot of times they'll choose X and Y, but as time goes on, you'll see they'll choose N or T or P or Q sometimes. So or M. So it doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead and we're going to put an X right there as a variable. So X minus 2 equals 4. All right. So there you go. So how to get this number by itself, we need to get the X, sorry, not the number, the variable, we need to get the X by itself to solve the equation, because we need to know what X really is. All right, what is X? So how to do that? We can remove the 2. Okay, so let's just take that 2 out of there. Okay. All right, so how can we remove the 2? We will do X minus 2, which is in our problem, equals 4. All right, and remember the cancellation, the elimination method, right, that we had in one of our first videos. All right, so you can form the elimination method yourself and get rid of this 2 right here. Okay, there you go, cancel out. And there we have our 0. All right, so we're canceling out. Brought it to 0. But what you do on one side plus 2, you have to do to the other side of the equal sign. And so 4 plus 2 is 6. All right. All right, so now we have X plus 0 equals 6. And we really don't even have to put that in there on the 0, because we already know it's 0. Just one of those mental things. We can just put X equals 6. X equals 6. So let's go through these steps again. All right, so what is the missing number? We're not supposed to say 6 yet, okay? We're not supposed to say 6 yet. We're supposed to come up with a variable, because in future lessons, they're going to want you to create an equation or an expression and with a variable in it. So here's kind of what we're going for right here. This is kind of the start of it. So we're going to say X right here, X. And so we're creating an equation. X minus 2 equals 4. Okay. So then our equation, we have to know what X stands for. We have to start getting X by itself. Okay. This is our ultimate goal right here, is to get X by itself. Of course, we know that box with the question mark is going to be 6. Okay. Because X down here would equal the 6, right? Because 6 is really supposed to go there. Anytime we don't know a number, we put a variable in there. Okay, we're not supposed to know what the number is yet, right? All right, so right, guys. So now how to get this X by itself, right? How do we get this X by itself? We're going to have to get rid of this 2 somehow. Okay, but how do we do that? Process of elimination, the cancellation method. But I don't see, I'm not seeing any cancellation method there. You have to create your own cancellation method off of the other videos that we did. So it's a learning process, right? All right, so cancellation method, do a +2 there and go ahead and cancel it out. Okay, so would X equals 4? No, X would not equal 4. Because what you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Let's get a clear view of this. So what we did to the side, we've got to do over here to the side. Okay. All right. So now that we've gotten rid of, this and this cancellation method, elimination, 4 plus 2 is 6. Do you see where this is going? All right, so this is what it's going to look like. And we really don't need to put that 0 there. And there you go. All right, guys. All right. So next time we'll look at inverse operations, and we're going to leave it here for this segment. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.